Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a free business email address. The first thing you will need to do is type in mail.com and you'll be led to this page right here. Once on mail.com, all you'll have to do is tap on email and you'll tap on business email. Once you have selected business email, all you'll need to do is tap on free sign up, and from here you'll be led to this page on which you can choose your email address and enter your personal details. So let's say I want to name my email address Simple Answers. Once you have entered it right there, right where you see mail.com, you can tap on the arrow pointing down, and let's say you're in USA and you would like the USA.com, or if you're in Europe you could add that. And then depending on the job, if you're creating an email address for your job, you could select accountant. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from, different titles you can choose, you can see right there. And once you have found one that you like, you can simply select it. Then you can tap on check, and once it is available, you'll enter your personal information. Then you'll tap on I am not a robot, and you'll tap on I agree right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.